How to get free gems on the Bingo Blitz game. If you are playing the Bingo Blitz app and wondering on how to get the free gems on it, don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bingo Blitz app just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now, to get the free gems, here you can find the gems option right here. Now there is only 30 gems right now. Now to get the free gems, you can get them by the gifts right here. Now tap on it. Now from here your friends will send you the gifts and you can simply accept it. Just like this, tap on it and tap on to continue. Then again tap on to claim. Claim the things that you get just right here. For now you don't have any gems gifted to you, so you didn't get anything right now. And the next step is to simply completing the maps right here. Now tap on to one of these maps and simply play it and win it, and from there you can get the free gems. And that's it. This is how you can get the free gems in the Bingo Blitz game. It is a very easy and fun process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.